Sahil, we have been talking about batting कि bat ऐसे करना है, इतना total चाहिए, सब ठीक है. But the way Bumrah has been performing, and with his performance, I don't mean जिस तरीके से वो wicket ले रहे हैं, but जिस तरीके से वो batsman को झिका देते हैं, runs नहीं दे रहे. एक बहुत support मिल रहा है batting को. Batting खराब है, बैटिंग में रन्स नहीं, खराब भी नहीं है, बैटिंग में रन्स नहीं है, बट एक बहुत सपोर्ट मिल रहा है विद द वे बुमराह हैज बीन परफॉर्मिंग. व्हाट आर योर व्यूज कि सेमीफाइनल में कितना इंपॉर्टेंट प्ले करने वाला है?
Now, before I come to Bumrah, I think we are making too much out of this England side. I personally feel it's going to be a very, very straightforward game for India. This England side lost to Australia and South Africa in this very World Cup. They are in they were in the Super 8s or probably in the semi-final, riding on backs of the wins they had over teams like Namibia, USA. उससे उनका
they were riding on the washout that happened against Scotland, वरना वो हार गए थे.
हाँ, so देखो, मतलब, so it's not like they have had a very convincing campaign so far. Yes, that West Indies result probably went in their favor, the game which was very crucial. But other than that, I wouldn't be too intimidated being in that Indian dugout right now. ये ऐसा नहीं है यार कि Australia probably yes, but this England side, a lot has happened to them. That 2023 World Cup, then that bashing by India in the Test series. वो जो baseball, I'm not complicating formats here. I'm just trying to get a sense into what would be going into that dressing room head right now. A lot of players have been playing across formats, and this is probably a wounded England side, right? After the high of 2022 T20 World Cup, they had a disastrous 23 ODI World Cup campaign. Then not many results went in their favor in the Test arena. That bashing by India, that kind of was an eye-opener for the entire baseball thing in Test cricket too. So, इनके ऊपर भी pressure है to kind of set things right, to set the record straight that we are still the England which was highly talked about a couple of years ago when they took world cricket by storm with a different brand of cricket in a different format. So, keeping all those things together, I'm not very intimidated by this England side. Archer हो, Jordan हो, Bairstow हो.
Archer से तो नहीं, yeah.
No, even these batters, जैसे मैं अफगानिस्तान के bowlers को कह रहा हूँ, वो साउथ अफ्रीका के बैटर्स को पकड़ लेंगे, ऐसे ही हमारे इंडियन बॉलर्स भी इन बैटर्स को पकड़ सकते हैं. एंड नाउ जस्ट ब्रीफली टचिंग अपॉन बुमराह, आई थिंक ही हैज बीन अ वेरी, क्या बोलूं यार, मतलब क्या जीनियस से ऊपर कोई वर्ड होता है क्या, जो मतलब जीनियस भी क्या, मतलब I read a tweet when he was doing those things against Australia, that spell against Australia. And I read a very interesting tweet. He put him on a flight to England next morning. He'll make the Duke's ball talk.
Yes, I saw that.
Send him to Australia. He'll adapt to Kookaburra. Send him to India. He'll adapt to SG. So I think adapting to conditions and
adapting to formats, the he'll start bowling shorter ones in Australia. He'll bowl a fuller.
See, and why that is important in T20, क्योंकि T20 में sample size नहीं है. 24 गेंद में से अगर 10 गेंद आप लगा रहे हो, ideal length ढूंढने में आपका spell खत्म हो गया. So for him, it talks a lot about his skill set on reading the surface and the conditions. कि 2-3 ball के अंदर figure out कर लेता है what's the ideal plan for this surface, and that kind of helps someone like Arshdeep, who recently spoke about that also. कि बुमराह भाई साथ वाले एंड से 3-4 रन देते हैं, so it helps me to pick those wickets. That's primarily what we discussed yesterday too. So Bumrah is a genius, and I think his skill set is right up there. But I think it's the mental thing where he just adapts seamlessly without any fuss and no complications at all. The only complication is his run up and his action. उसके अलावा सब कुछ स्मूथ है, मतलब कोई ऐसा आंख में चुभने वाली चीज नहीं है. अब तो एक्शन भी उसका पोएट्री लगता है यार. It looks like the most soothing action. So I think India are going to have it easy against England.